So today we're looking at solving equations with exponents. We've already gone through that a squared number to take the inverse operation is a square root. A cubed number, the inverse operation is the cubed root. Remember that any negative number that is squared is positive, and any negative number that is cubed is negative. So let's come down to our examples. So for the first example, we have that x squared is 25. So in order to take this squared away, I need to take the square root of both sides. X is equal to 5. And my reasoning is that 5 times 5 is 25. So if I have x squared, 5 squared equals 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So that is correct. So now let's look at example 2. So we have x squared is a negative 81. Yeah, I can't do that, can I? If x is a negative number, let's say negative 9. Negative 9 times a negative 9, or x squared, would equal a positive 81. There's no way that I can get a negative, so in this case, I have no solution. I cannot have a negative when a number is squared. If I look at 3, this time x is cubed. I know that 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cubed, is 8. So can I get a negative? So if all of these are negative 2, do I get a positive 8 or a negative 8? Well, negative 2 times negative 2 would be a positive 4. Negative times negative is positive. So a positive 4 times a negative 2, yes, it does. It equals a negative 8. So in this case, I would take the cubed root. X equals a negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 equals 8. All right, one more example. Let's look down at example 4. We have x cubed equals 216. So we're going to take the cube root. X cubed, okay, so I know that 6 times 6 times 6, or 6 cubed, 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 is 216. So x is equal to 6, because 6 cubed would equal to 216. The cubed root of x gives you x, and the cubed root of 216 gives you 16. All right, so pause the video here and do the U tries, and I'll see you back once you've tried them. And we're back. How did you do? Did you recognize that this was squared, and so you would need to take the square root of both of these? The square root of 9 is 3. That's absolutely right. So in this case, x equals 3. My reasoning is 3 squared equals 9. What about the U try 2? Good, you recognize that this is cubed, so I need to take the cubed root of 64. The cubed root of 64 is 4, so x equals 4. I know that 4 cubed is equal to 64. Now, if I didn't know that in my head, I could absolutely use some thinking space over here. I know it's more than 1, so 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27. I'm getting closer. 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64. And so I would be able to track my thinking that way as well. All right, so at this time, go ahead and stop the video and finish up the questions, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Good luck.